Okay, moving on to the next question. What is this? What is this figure? Okay, what is this point called? No, it is called the center. This is the center of the circle. Okay, now I will take any point over here. Suppose I name this point as A. Now if I join this OA, what is this OA? OA, what is the name? What is it called? What is OA? OA is the radius of the circle. RADIUS, radius. See, if it is plural, like there are many radiuses, then you call radii. It is called radii. What is OA? OA is the radius of the circle. Okay, now if I take any 2 points, suppose I take point M over here and I take point N over here. If I join any 2 points on the circle, I will get, what is this MN called? What is this MN called? MN is the chord of the circle. What is it called? Chord. Okay, you have to say chord, don't say chord. It will be wrong. Okay. Now suppose this is the chord. Now there is a chord. Like this PQ is also a chord. Okay. I take any 2 points on the circle PQ. I join it. So this point PQ. What is this point PQ called? PQ is the chord, but it is a chord which is passing through the center of the circle. A chord which is passing through the center of the circle is called the diameter. Okay. What is it called? Okay. See, there can be many chords in the circle, but diameter is the longest chord of the circle. What did I say? Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Okay. Now, what else? Yeah. See, a line which is touching the circle in one point. What is it called? See, this is line L. This is line L. It is touching the circle in one point, point Q. So, what is this line L called? A line which is touching the circle in one point is called a tangent of the circle. What is it called? A line which is touching the circle in one point is called tangent of the circle. What is it called? Tangent. Okay. Now see this. This I wanted to show you. This is the circle. Okay. Now this is the line joining any 2 points on the circle. Suppose I name it as LM. Now LM is the chord, correct? Correct? Answer part, yeah, chord. Now this chord has divided the circle in 2 parts. This is the smaller part. What is it called? This part is called the, what it is called? It's called a minor segment. What is it called? Minor segment. And the other part of the circle which is bigger in area, this part is called what? What is this part called? Major segment. Major segment. Okay. Suppose if I told you that diameter is also a chord. Okay. This is the circle. This is the center of the circle. Now you can see this line. This line is the diameter. Okay. A diameter is dividing the circle in 2 equal halves. Then there is no major or minor. What is this part called? Both the parts. This is half the circle. So what is it called? Half circle. Another name for half circle is semicircle. What is it called? Repeat. Yeah, this is semicircle means half circle, and this is also semicircle means half circle. Okay. Now I am going to test you. I'll ask you questions. You have to answer. Okay. Again. Come on, start. What is this shape called? Okay. What is this point called? What is it called? Center. This is the center. Okay. Now I take any point on the circle. Now I join a line. This is the line joining the center of the circle to any point of the circle. The name of this segment is OA. What is it called? What is OA? OA will be called as, OA is the, no, OA is the radius of the circle. Okay, now there is one point over here M, there is one point over here N. Now I join this point M and N. What is M and called? What is segment MN? What is this line MN called? Yeah, but there is a special name to that segment. A line joining any 2 points on the circle is called a chord. MN is the chord of the circle. Okay. Now there is another chord which is passing through the center of the circle. Okay. This is another chord PQ which is passing through the center of the circle. What is the special name for this segment PQ? What is PQ called? Answer. Yeah, it is the diameter. Okay. Now this area which is covered by this, see there is one arc of the circle and there is one chord. The region between the arc and the chord is called the, what is this part called? This is called the, yeah, minor segment. Okay, this is minor segment. And what is the other part called? This part of the circle. The circle part enclosed between the major arc and this chord. What is this area called? No, this is major segment. This one is minor segment, this is major segment. Okay, now see, this is the diameter. Diameter is dividing the circle into 2 equal half. What is this part called? This is half the circle. What is another name for half the circle? Yes, very good, semicircle. Okay. And this is the line which is touching the circle in one point. What is this point called? What is this line called? What is the special name to this line? What is this line L called? This is a line which is touching the circle in one point, tangent. Okay, very good, very good. Okay. Now you have to copy this in the notebook.